G'day everyone. Well, back in the shed again. What we're doing now is just the final assembly of the master brake before we put it into the chassis. So, you know, I know it's been a while since between we have videos. Oh, hello. Here's Max. Just come to say supervision. What you doing, Maxie? He's a lot of help, isn't he? Anyway, so yes, final assembly of the brake, and then I've got all these springs, and is it springers in the air? But I won't get that straight away because in a week or so we're going to the Australian goggomobil muster, where we all get together with our cars and have a good time. So I might do some videoing of that. So it'll be a couple of weeks before I can get back to editing. So sorry about that, folks. But life, that's the way it is. As you can see, this camera's a bit fuzzy. It's the old one. The new one I've packed up for the holiday. All right, we'll get on with it, shall we? Cheers. Righto. Lubricate this a bit. Way around, sorry. Well, the devil dart gremlins or imp has raised its little head again. I put all this together, as you saw, and I forgot the rubber boot. So, start again, mate. There, that's better. Yeah, supervising, Maxie. There we have it, folks. We've finally got something back on properly. I'm just going to tighten it up a bit, but it's the beginning of the other side of the hill, maybe. Anyway, stay tuned. Subscribe if you want. Unsubscribe if you want. Continue watching, I hope, if you like what you see. And yeah, good luck to you in your car endeavours. We'll keep on mucking around. Cheers.